Sundpey, they offer a number of products. This is a 170-piece household tool kit. If you're looking to do work around the house and place things on, tightening up screws, Allen keys, and more, as we're demonstrating a number of different scenario shots using the toolkit. We can test out lines with the tester to see if they are live or not. And you can simply clip it to a shirt. And this is a voltage tester. One of the things that you can test out. In the kit, you got drill bits, sockets, screwdrivers, micro screwdrivers, a drill. You have a tape measure, a crescent wrench, a small hammer to bang things, and more. What we're going to do is demonstrate again and show you what you can use the products with, and I hope you enjoy the product. When you get your Sundpey 170-piece drill kit for a home of all the tools you need to do small jobs, fixing a table, fixing a chair, making a panel, a shelf, like so. This is the box that you get, and you're going to get a knife inside so you can open up your box. And what we're going to do is demonstrate and show you and how this product comes shipped to you. Do check online for the makes and models and the colors they offer. This has a black scheme with yellow. With the arrows pointing up and the label up, we're going to open up and show you what's inside. Please be careful during shipment. Parts may fall out, as you see. We have the Sundpey Power Kit 170-piece, an instruction guide and information provided of your product. Everything is packaged nicely in plastic on the drill. When you get your kit, the first thing we do is we take the charger that has a red and green light and a dedicated plug, and we charge our battery up that the plug goes into. A few hours later, we're ready to use our drill. We'll go over everything that you get here in the 170-piece set. This is your drill. It snaps together with the 21-volt. Forward, reverse, and you have a light, and you have your drill and the torque settings, and you have low and high speeds. It's got a rubber grip, and it's got rubber on the back as well. And it's size of a large hand, as you can see, a nice size. You have a tape measure, 30 meters long, so you can do your measuring of what you're working with. And if you got small tests, you have miscellaneous box of screws, anchors, attachments for hangers and more, washers and so forth. You have an open-end wrench that opens up to about 1 inch in size, and it has letterings right here by my finger. As you can see, the letterings of the opening. Rubber handle, and you have a small type of hammer. It's got the rubber handle, so you could do small jobs with it. And you got 2 types of pliers, a pin nose and a regular pliers, and they both got cutters on them. On top, you got all your bits, large sizes, flatheads, Phillips, security. You got your connector to the sockets. You have 3 drill bits, Allen keys, a box cutter that is already open for you. Please make sure it's closed. And you have small and medium-sized screwdrivers and Phillips drivers. One of the tools we have here is to check the voltage of outlets with the screwdriver. Let's close this up and go do some household work and work around the house with the Sundpey 170-piece toolkit. I got some loose screws here. I want to check if the reading of the switch is working. And the way I will do that is show you right here. As I'm demonstrating with the pin nose pliers using one of the kits to straighten out a part. The one thing it don't have is a grabber, so I can go grab the part I just dropped. And it's simply, you could just put all the accessories on there. If you want to screw down, you just grab the drill, 21 volt, and you take one of the bits you want to use. They got many types of bits, small bits and tall bits. Grab the one that suits the job, pull it on out. It's held in nice and strong by a rubber case and place in to the depth you need with the reversible and lock down, and you can screw down the pieces as you go. It's that simple. If you need to take the plate off or tighten it up, you have that drill bit to do. There are many uses for this household toolkit. A simple toolkit for small houses, studios, around the car, around the shop. Just something that you need to have a general toolkit, 170 piece. I hope you enjoy your toolkit, and thank you for viewing.